Hi, I'm Tom Richards from Environmental Lights. Welcome to our booth here at InfoComm 2026. Today I want to talk about our low voltage rAVe remote voltage illumination house lighting system. This system's analogous to speakers and amplifiers. It's everything we do at Environmental Lights is low voltage. So this, like I said, with speakers and amplifiers, you plug in a speaker and you run speaker wire to speakers. In this case, we're plugging in our power supplies. We're running low voltage speaker wire to fixtures like this one right here, a 7-inch recessed downlight, or a pendant system up to 400 feet away, and everything is low voltage. And I'm just going to put the light up on that. That's about 8,500 lumens. The system features really nice smooth dimming all the way down to 0.1%. It's all DMX controlled. There's no separate control wire. Incredibly energy efficient, 86 watts per fixture. It's all individual channel control with the DMX, and it can all be installed by you. I've had over 10 years experience with this technology. I've never seen anything as reliable as the rAVe system. No magic here. All there is to our fixtures, there's a heat sink, there's an optic, and there's a chip. All the power conversion happens in a rack-mounted power supply 400 feet away. To visit us, please come to www.environmentallights.com.